All right. Hello, and thank you so much for assisting me in gathering information about properties in Arizona. I'm so excited that you're helping, and so thank you so much for all that you're doing. It's pretty straightforward job and not really that difficult. It just requires some time. So what this video is supposed to do, hopefully, is to just help with that, to show you how to do it. And then, of course, I'm always here. If you have any questions, you can always contact me, and I would be more than happy to help. So let me share my screen and can show you how to do this. All right. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to send you this information. What I'd like you to do is to create an Excel document, because what we're going to be doing is essentially we're going to be buying properties in this specific area of Arizona. And in order to do that, we need to contact these people, these landowners. And in order to contact them, we need certain information, their name, address, and also we need to know, just for how much to offer, we need to know certain property info, the parcel size, where it's located, all of that. So here's what I'd like you to do. I'd like you to create an Excel document with the following sections. So basically, you're going to have let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's start with 13 categories. We might decide to do less, but for right now, let's start with this many. So first thing we're going to need is the name. That is the name of the person that we're contacting to purchase their property. We're going to need the APN. Sometimes it's called the parcel number. That is basically the number that the county assigns to the property. That's how they identify it. Then we're going to need the property state and the property county. We're going to need the address of the person that we're mailing to, as well as their city, state, zip code. Then we're going to need the parcel size, so the property size, how big is their property that we're wanting to purchase. Ideally, it'd be nice to have an assessed value. That just means the county has gone in and kind of said this property is worth this much. And then if the person has any outstanding taxes that are due, if it's listed, that would be great to know. And then hopefully, and this isn't necessarily required, but if we see the section and township, meaning the area of the county that this property is located in, that can help us when it comes to pricing. And then this last category, you won't need to do anything with, but I'll be the one to fill it out, but I still would like it to be on the Excel spreadsheet. So let me show you how to gather all of these different pieces of information. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'll already email you this Excel or this spreadsheet that has this amount of data on it. So what you'll see here is you'll see a parcel number, the owner name, the legal description, and total amount. Now, what we can already do right off the bat is we can start with this, top category. Basically, you'll highlight this parcel number, and then you will go ahead and put it here for APN. And then you'll go back, and this is the person's name. Now, most lists will do this. They'll put the name, and they'll put the last name first and then the first name last. So what I'd like you to do is go ahead and switch this around that way it's correct, because I'm going to send letters and mail all of these people. So if you can have it where the first name is first, the last name is last, that would be great. And then as far as the legal description, we don't need that right now, so don't worry about this category. For total amount, to be honest, I need to call the county about this category. I'm not sure if by total amount they're stating how much this person owes the county in taxes, or if this is how much the property is worth. I kind of think my assumption is that this is taxes that this person owes. But what we can do is uh, just kind of put a pin in this. We might use this number, but we've got enough to get going. We've got the parcel name as well as, or parcel number as well as the person's name. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this website. It's called Parcel Inquiry treasure.cochise.az.gov. I'll make sure to send you this website so you have the info, but we're going to take this parcel number, you're going to highlight it, then you're going to go here, and right here where it says parcel inquiry and it says parcel number, go ahead and paste it right there, then click submit. And there we go. This person's file pulls up. You'll see their name right here matches this name. Again, you know, the county likes to put their last name first and their first name last. So when you're putting it in the Excel document, if you can make sure to have those switched, that would be great. And then you can see right here is their address. So I'm going to highlight this 6000 West Cross C Ranch Road, and I will put their address right here. Now, all of the properties that we're getting are all going to be in Arizona, so AZ for short. And then the property county is Cochise. So these two, Arizona and Cochise, that's going to be the same for every single property that you'll get information for. That's the address right there. Going back here, you'll see this is the city of where we're mailing to, and Arizona, there's the zip code. So I'm going to put AZ right there, zip code right there. And now let's see. Yeah, you can see that the number that we saw on this list, it's a little different than this one. This is probably more up to date, but yes, they owe $11,672.73 of back taxes. So that is that number you're going to highlight, and you're going to put for outstanding, you're going to put, oh, well, there we go. Sometimes if you post it and it did what you saw there, where it was a bunch of pound signs, I just will double click on it and then delete the first number and then put it right back, and then it fixes it. That's just a quick fix in case you run into that problem. So now we've gotten all this information. So the last remaining things, again, I'll do the offer, but the last remaining things that we need are the parcel size, the assessed value, and if possible, the section and township. So we're now going to go right here. Again, this parcel inquiry treasure website, scroll down here to view parcel map. So you're going to click on that, and it's going to bring up this, the Cochise County parcel map. You'll just click right here, I agree. click OK, and you'll go right here. Usually it will pull up the property, but just in case it doesn't, you can, well, go back here. Highlight that. And okay, for some reason it's not wanting to pull up. Sometimes that happens where it won't pull up the property. But let's do this. Let's try another property just so that you see how to do it. We'll highlight this parcel number, put it right there. It'll bring up all the property information. And then we'll go down here and view parcel map. And there we go. Then it brings up, this is the property right here. And you'll see a lot of this information we've already gathered, the name, the owner of the property, their mailing address, and then we see right here is the acreage. So we're going to highlight that and go right here for parcel size. And then let me see. I believe for assessed value, can't remember where I've seen it, but for right now, what we can do is I'll remember, I'll look up and see where to find assessed value. I remember seeing it somewhere, and I'll tell you where to find that. If I find where to put the section township, I'll definitely let you know. But for right now, this is enough info for us to contact these people. Again, I'll fill out the offer. I'll find out where to get the section township and the assessed value, and let you know where to get that. But if you can just, watch this video, I'll also email you the written instructions to also follow along and help. And if you can create an Excel document with these categories and do what I did, where you go to the website and gather the following information, if you can send me 100 names every week, that would be perfect. And then we'll just be going through this list together. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you so much for helping. And let me see. Yeah, thank you so much. All right, bye-bye.